Meaning of ground ball.
Ground ball.
Ground ball.
Ground ball.
Ground ball. In sports such as baseball and softball, a ground ball refers to a hit that bounces along the ground before it is fielded by a defensive player. This type of hit often results in the batter being thrown out at first base due to the relatively slow speed of the ball compared to a line drive or a fly ball. Ground balls can also produce double plays if the defensive players are positioned correctly and can quickly turn the ball to get multiple outs. Overall, ground balls are an important aspect of defensive strategy in these sports.